Attracting all the attention, QMobile Neue Octa Z6 is the slimmest smartphone to date with a thickness of just 5.5 mm. The backside of QMobile Neue Z6 is covered with glass and side faces are made of metal. Despite the fact that flagship was officially unveiled a few months ago, QMobile Octa-Core Z6 looks far more interesting than many new top-class smartphones. Novelty boasts the most powerful processor of today. QMobile Neue Octa Z6 is loaded with a powerful MediaTek octa-core processor with a clock speed of 1.7 GHz, 2 GB of RAM. QMobile Z6 has the highest quality cameras at 5 megapixels at front and 13 megapixels at the back. Loaded with 5-inch Super AMOLED display, QMobile Neue Z6 supports an amazing resolution of 1080x 1920 pixels. Beating all its predecessors, whether it's the all-new QMobile Neue Quattro Z5 or the older QMobile Neue Z4, the device is a big improvement over all the older versions.